So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you create a location menu in your WordPress website. So every website you will see that nav bar, footer bar, nav location. So in this website, so you didn't see this. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a say, menu locations, and then you can show it here. So for that, firstly you need to go to functions.php. You have to register nav menu, register nav menu, register nav menu, then the menu name. For example, I'm making it top menu, top menu, then text, then description. Okay, top menu. Okay, it has to be translatable because otherwise you can't translate this one. So firstly the string, then the text domain. Okay, alpha. Okay, okay, so we registered a nav menu just like we registered sidebar. So we registered top menu. Then now if I go to WordPress admin dashboard, okay, in appearance you will see the menus option. So you can see the manage it, like manage location. So you can see edit menus, primary. Okay, as you can see the top menu has been added in our menu settings. So if I make another one which is called footer menu, footer menu, okay, footer menu. Okay, now reload this. So as you can see, and there is another menu called footer menu is registered in our WordPress website. So this is how you can firstly register. Now we are going to show how you can show this on your WordPress website. Okay, we're gonna create a new menu. Okay, menu name is nav menu, nav menu. Okay, then nav menu we can create is display name, display location is top menu, create menu. Okay, now we can create a custom link. Okay, URL is okay, we don't have any URL, so link firstly is home, URL home. Okay, then another one is contact, link test contact. Okay, another one is about, about. This is about add menu and services, 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 services. Okay, now save menu. Okay, okay, now we can create another menu for our footer which is called social menu, social menu. Okay, we're gonna make it for our footer menu. Okay, custom link, first one is Facebook, 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 add to menu, then Instagram, Instagram. Okay, then Twitter. 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 Okay, then Telegram. Okay, Telegram. Now save this. Okay, so we created two menu. We edit menus. So our menus, footer menu is our social media menu. Facebook has to be uppercase. Okay, then our this is our social menu for footer, then our name menu for top menu. Now we're gonna display this. So if I come to our website, so we are gonna show you the navigation menu here. So it is loading from our hero.php. Okay, hero.php. So we're gonna take another div column 12. Okay, then we're gonna take another div which is called navigation. Okay, then we're gonna take a php tag. Okay, then close our php tag. Okay, then inside the php tag we have to write a function which is called wp nav menu. WP nav menu. Okay, then we're going to take an array. Okay, the first option is theme location. Theme location. Theme location is, so if I come to the, this is the theme location. Top menu. Theme location is top menu. Okay, then the second option is menu ID. Actually it has to be different. So then, for example, I am giving it top menu containers. Top menu container. Okay, then menu plus. It actually for CSS. Menu plus. This is Bootstrap plus. Text center. Okay, so this is it. So now you're gonna reload this one. Okay, so the navigations are showing. So it has to come in horizontally, so it has not come in horizontally. If I inspect this, so I have to give some classes for that. So for that we need to go to the functions.php. We need to take another filter, which is add filter. The first parameter is nav menu CSS class. Okay, then the function is alpha menu item class. Okay, if I search this on Google Chrome, WordPress, we have to, okay, it will take some priority and parameters. So 2 means that you have to take two parameter, three means you have to take three, so we can take three. The 10 is priorities, so that's why I googled it here. You can learn it detailed from here, so from this article. Okay, so then 10 10 is priority and 2 is parameter. Okay, now we are going to details. We are writing this filter because we need to add a class in our list item, which is called list inline item. So in this way you can add classes in li tag. So function, so copy this. Okay, so we need to take two parameter. First one is classes, sorry, classes. The second one is item. Okay, so then we have two classes. This is an array. Okay, then the class name. So the class name is list inline item. List inline item. Okay, then return classes. So we are finished. So this is how you can add classes in nav menu. Okay, now reload this. So as you can see, this is coming horizontally centered. So I hope this will help. So we created another menu which is called footer menu, so we can show it in our footer. So for that we need to take another div, column d6. Okay, then you have to take the php tag. Okay, then the function wp nav menu. Okay, then it will take an array, sorry, array wp nav menu. Okay, this will be removed. First one is theme location. Sorry, we made a mistake here. To bracket as well. Okay, the first one is theme location. Which is, so this is our footer. This is our footer. Okay, footer. Okay, then menu id. Footer menu container. You can give whatever you want. Then menu class. Menu class. Menu class. Menu class. List inline. List inline. Text center. Okay, so this is it. If I reload, as you can see, the options are showing. So what this is showing, this is showing from our footer menu. So if I add edit menu. Where is edit menu? If I want to add here custom link, okay, then to add Snapchat. Snapchat. Okay, Snapchat. Back to menu. Okay, this Snapchat has been added. Save menu. Now reload this. So the Snapchat has been added. So this is how you locate the menu in your WordPress website. So this is the process of menu creation, menu display, and how to add classes in nav menu. So firstly, the most important thing is the after scene setup theme action, you have to register the nav menu. I registered two. First one is top menu, second one is footer menu. Okay, after registering the menu, you have to show wherever you want to show this. So I firstly, the top menu I want to show this here is in my hero.php, which means the nav option. So then first one is wp nav menu function. Inside the first option is theme location. Theme location is your top menu, what which is your id, the just like the widgets option. So the id, then menu id, the container menu class is the menu class, which is actually css class. Okay, okay, if then the most tricky part was that how you can add the classes in your menu option. So for that you need to take a filter option. So nav menu css class, then function, then priority is 10, then 2. So then this function will take two parameters because we add two here. So first one is classes, second one is item. So classes is array. So then you give the classes you want to add, then return the classes. So that's how you can display, create a menu item, then display it, then how you can add classes in your nav menu options. So this is it. That's how you can do your WordPress theme more preferable. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.